Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I know it's that time of the year once again where you are seeking your own website hosting, and you have done a good thing. Why? Because if your business is not online, you are missing a lot. Today I have an interesting tutorial on how to purchase your own hosting using Hostinger. I have used Hostinger personally for quite a number of years, and I've used Hostinger for countless of my websites. I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to claim the current available deal, that is 85% off for your hosting. You get that discount for 48 months. That means you are going to have a cent discount. Once you pay off for 48 months, you pay nothing. This web hosting also makes it easy for you to install WordPress. That is, they have a managed WordPress platform. WordPress is the powerful website builder that is powering most websites online, and it's very good to make sure that your own hosting provider helps you and manages your WordPress and makes it easy to manage WordPress. Allow me to get started with you to walk you through how I purchase my own web hosting. If you use this link, I'll put it in the description, but still you can copy it as it is on this video and type in www.crazyclicks.co.za/hosting. If you use this link, they will make sure that they give you up to 15% discount or more than that if you use this link. I also get a small commission, which motivates me to do these videos, but all the same, it gives you also a discount. It doesn't increase any cost on you. So yeah, if you want to buy your own domain, what I like about hosting is that they cater for the whole world. They cater for quite the whole world. What do I mean when I say they cater for the whole world? Say your default language is not English, you can change the country of your location. Maybe you're just like me. I'm based outside the US, or you are based in Romania. You can still change to your own language. So as we go, you can see that get up to 80% off on your web hosting. That is if you have used the link which I've provided you. You can also have your live support through AI. The AI is quite good, which is Cody. Cody is very good. I've always interacted with Cody and the bot and so on. But human interaction is also very fast to chip in. Everything you need to grow online, 24/7 customer service. I promise you, this is true indeed. They will also give you a free domain. That's because the title of this video is how to get a domain, how to buy your own domain. So here now you only get a free domain if you take it with hosting. If I were you, I was going to just take it with hosting, then I take a free domain. Then they also give you free website migration. That means if you want to migrate from another hosting provider to them, they will also enable you to do that for free. The plan starts from $2.49 per month, plus 2 free extra months. That's especially for those people who have used the link which I have provided. So if I were you, I would go straight away, as I'm doing now, to say start now. When I start now, I want to grab this deal as soon as possible before it expires. There is a premium with everything you need to create a website. And guys, we are speaking now, it's 80% off. It's $2.49 per month. This is really affordable. Hosting has made owning a website very affordable. So you pay for 48 months and get 2 months free, which means this is $2.49 by 48, then minus 2 months for free. So when you renew, it will be then $7.99. So for now, which means for this year, you are going to for the coming 2 years, it's $2.49 per month. They are only going to increase next year but one. Which means if maybe it's an e-commerce business, you would have tried it, you would have made money to cater for this. So this plan caters for 100 websites managed hosting for WordPress. WordPress is the thing nowadays. It's the thing that drives the internet. That's the platform where most people and organizations use to make their websites. So the problem with other hosting providers is that their WordPress is not managed. You have to do it yourself. But here they will help you build your own website using WordPress. It will cater for 25,000 visits monthly, which means if you have visitors within this range, they will definitely cater for them without any downtime. 100 gig SSD storage. This is the storage which you get. And if you are me who has been using websites, you barely use 5 gig of this storage. 400,000 files and directories in notes. This is the uptake. Free pre-built templates, free automatic website integration, unlimited free SSL. SSL is the big thing for websites. Let me show you what is SSL. SSL is a certificate that shows an encryption, a certificate of encryption that shows that your website is secure. You can check here a website with an SSL certificate will indicate that it's secure. Customers, they won't visit a website which indicates that it's not secure. And search engines have made it a point that they indicate how vulnerable a website is. So getting it for free and unlimited, it will be a very good thing indeed. Free email, weekly backups. Backups are important in case something happens to a website. WordPress vulnerability scanners, which means it scans all vulnerabilities to make sure that you are safe. Smart WordPress auto updates means it will automatically update your WordPress. Standard WordPress acceleration means your own website will be faster than the other WordPress websites. Unlimited bandwidth, this is the capacity of visitors, the number of people it can hold. So if it's unlimited, it means as many people as possible can visit your website at the same time. Free domain, which is valued at $9.99, which means if you take this deal, if you take this hosting plan, you will get a free domain, which means if your intention was to buy a domain when visiting this video, you can definitely get a free domain, and then just pay for hosting. Free CDN, WordPress AI tools, these are not included. Oh, these are not included. The ones above are included. WordPress staging tool, dedicated IP, and priority support. So you can see that there's more features. That's why I like Hostinger. That's why I like Hostinger. Support 40 PHP workers, which means the technical support, they know PHP. They are there for you to help you. 100 subdomains, 50 MySQL Max user connections, 300 databases. It's everything. Unlimited cron jobs, Git access, multiple PHP versions, DNS management, cache manager, powerful control panel, and SSH access. So this is what you get on your premium plan. Now the business plan, it includes almost everything from the previous plan. Only it's $3.49 per month, paid for 48-month term and 2 months free, 75% off as of now. If you get it today, you will definitely get your 75% off. It also from these the ones which I was speaking about. You can see that the first plan premium is no free CDN. WordPress AI tools, WordPress staging tool. So you get this WordPress staging tool will help you if you want to do maybe experiments with your WordPress, something like that. But you barely use most of these features. Priority support, you only get it on the cloud startup plan, which was 300 websites. And now you get dedicated support for you and your priority. They don't put you in a line in a ticketing. If you know the ticketing system, one-click WordPress installation, one-click Google integration, which means SEO is the thing, which means if you want to integrate your website with Google, they will mostly help you. WordPress compatibility checker, WooCommerce standard WooCommerce, which means you get premium WooCommerce. If you have done e-commerce, definitely if you want to do e-commerce, this plan is for you. If you want to have an online shop, this plan is for you, definitely. 0% transaction fees, all e-commerce features, 100 payment methods, which means they will enable you, they will help you with payment methods. So this is really good. Amazon affiliate plugin, WordPress plugin, which means if you're doing Amazon, you definitely get a plugin which only comes with this plan hosting. So the boys in your court, choose whatever plan you want. But as for me today, I'm going to get this one, 49, because the website I want to build is a company website. But now I will fill in my details depending on the time you are using to sign up here. For 48 months, you get it for $127.44, and you get an 82% discount. Depending with the time you're using to sign up to this, maybe you get a favorable coupon code, which I will place in the link in description. But if it is not there, don't worry. Now I proceed to sign up for my account using my own details. You can either use your custom email address or a Gmail address. I will click continue and proceed to filling in my billing details. I will fill in my name and my country of origin. I prefer to use company name. If that's the case for you, you get also tax benefits for that. I'll proceed for payment. There are a lot and more methods to pay, PayPal and many others, but I opt for credit card or debit card. For this package, I'm going to take a 12-month plan, which is $43.09, but you can opt for the months which you want. It's still okay. You still get that discount. I will fill in my details and submit my payment details. There we go. Here now I am in the back end of Hostinger. I can choose the language, or you can choose the language of preference, but obviously me, I'm English. I'll proceed with English. What is this website for? For myself. I will click next. Then, do you want to create or migrate? I want to create a new website. You can either choose from WordPress or Hostinger's website builder, but remember we placed emphasis on WordPress, so I'm gonna choose WordPress. Then proceed. I will create the login details. These login details are very important. They are the login details to the back end of your own WordPress website. So make sure you put in a secure password. You can either still use these as you. A domain name should be something memorable, short and precise. It depends with either you want to do it for your company or for your own brand or for your name, for a personal website. I highly recommend that you use your name and surname or your name.com or .co.za or whatever extension you want. Extension com simply means commercial and it's the most popular extension online. And if for a company, in most cases it's a .com. But if you prefer to choose a local extension, maybe you are based in the US, you can use US, you can use AI, maybe it's Australia. But I prefer to make it short and simple, and depending on the availability, which now depends on your liking, I prefer a .com. That is www.yourname.com or www.yourcompany.com. So now I proceed to choose my free domain. Remember, this domain is for free. I choose my free domain. Where I'm based in South Africa. So in most cases, I would prefer to choose a .co.za if it's a company. Then I proceed to fill in my personal details. Then I register to confirm my email address. This is the email which I would have used for sign up. Now it's registering my domain. It's loading. Where is your target audience? You can choose where the base of your target audience is located. For this website, I want to target people based in either the States or South America. So I will choose a server based in the States. Now it's installing a new WordPress. While it's installing, now we are in the back end of the hosting account. This is your playground. This is your back end where everything is located. If you want to create emails, if you want to create subdomains, if you want something related to your hosting, that's your back end. There is to log into your WordPress admin. It's easy. You just click that icon, then you are prompted to your WordPress backend. Remember, you would have installed your own WordPress account with ease as we did there. I think this is as far as we can go. This is your website. It might be different depending on there, but this is how it looks. But obviously, when you develop it, it will look a bit much better than that. See link on the top. I will show you how I create my own website on WordPress. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching it. See you next time.